Hi guys, this is Bhupinder. Today I want to show you how to connect your TV to internet. Let's follow these steps. So basically I'm trying to open an app on the TV and I can't because I don't have internet connected to my TV. It's really straightforward. Let's start connecting your TV to internet. My TV that I'm using here is Sony, but the same procedure will apply to other TVs as well. So you can close this. Press the home, you go home, then we need to scroll down to the place called settings, and then we need to go right. There is a place called network, select network, then select network setup. So this means you can access things that are saved on your network and you can also access internet. So select setup network connection. So how do we want to set it up? I will go with auto. This is easier. How do we want it to be? Whether we want it to be wired or wireless. Nowadays everybody uses wireless, so let's go with wireless. So it asks now a valid question. Does your router got a WPS button? So this is my router. Your router might look different, but doesn't matter. You can see here called WPS. So I got WPS. On mine, the symbol is like this, which matches this symbol on the side of this router. So we saw that we have WPS on our router, so we say yes. So we need to be ready to go and press the WPS button on our router when we click on start. So let's go ahead and start. So now we need to go and quickly press the button. So this is my router. I come here and I press the button. The PS became green. So we go and have a look on the TV. Connecting to the wireless network. Please wait. Then it wants us to confirm, is this your network or is somebody else's network? Read the name of your network, and if you see the same name, click on OK. And now it's trying to check the internet connection, and you get this beautiful message saying your TV is successfully connected to the internet. We can just quit the setup, and just to check it, we go to home, we go to applications, and we can go to YouTube, for example. It takes some time to load, but eventually it loads. As you can see, you can sign in if you want, or you can just skip it. For now I skip it. Here it is. YouTube is on our TV by connecting our TV to the internet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of how to connect your TV to the internet, and you were successful just as I was. If you want to learn about how to connect your soundbar to the TV or your computer to the TV, whether using HDMI or optical cable or auxiliary cable, you can watch my other videos which I put in the description of this video below. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.